Kola Beach. The Kola Beach distance is 1 hour 10 minutes, that is 41.8 kilometers via National Highway 66, and it is nearby the more famous Palolem Beach. Kola Beach is a picturesque and secluded beach located in South Goa, India. It is a relatively small beach about 300 meters long, nestled between two hills and surrounded by lush greenery, giving it a peaceful and serene atmosphere. The beach is characterized by its soft white sand, crystal clear waters, and coconut groves. One of the main attractions of Kola Beach is the freshwater lagoon that flows into the sea. The lagoon is a perfect spot for swimming and lounging in the calm and clear waters. The beach is also a great spot for sunbathing, strolling, and taking in the stunning scenery. The calm and clear waters of Kola Beach make it an excellent spot for swimming. And the beach is perfect for those who want to get away from the crowds and enjoy a peaceful and relaxing day at the beach. Kola Beach is a secluded beach and is not very popular among tourists. However, this adds to its charm, making it an ideal spot for those who want to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and enjoy a quiet and peaceful getaway. The beach is ideal for couples, families, and solo travelers who want to enjoy the tranquility and natural beauty of the beach. There are a few shacks and restaurants that serve fresh food and Goan cuisine, and the prices are reasonable. However, visitors should note that there are no facilities such as ATMs, medical centers, or supermarkets in the vicinity. So, it is advisable to carry sufficient cash and any necessary supplies. Overall, Kola Beach is a hidden gem of South Goa, with its unspoiled natural beauty and serene atmosphere, making it an ideal spot.